to my YouTube channel. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp and email links in this video description. If you want to complete my lab courses like Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do all online courses like math, stat, accounting, finance, computer sciences, or many other projects, many other online courses. My grade guarantee between 90% to 100%. So let's we start an assignment. My assignment name is EXP25 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Insurance Claims. So this is a project description. So we move to the main project steps. So total project steps is are 15. So we move to the step number 1, and step number 1, increase the size and color it. Step number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file named EXP25 Excel Chapter 4 Cumulative Insurance. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So start Excel and download and open the file. So we open the file. I have already downloaded this file. So step number 1 has completed. So we move to the step number 2. Step number 2 is convert the data range B6J215 to a table. Name the table insurance claims and they apply the light green table style light 21. So first we will start convert the data range to a table. First we copy the range from the description, go to the Excel file and simply paste it and press enter. All range selected automatically and move to the convert the data range to a table. So we move to the Excel file, go to the insert tab and click on table and simply click on OK. So table is created. So we move to the Excel file, Word file. Name the next level of this step is name the table insurance claims and then apply the light. Next level, name the table insurance claims. Simply copy the name from instruction and go to the table name. Simply paste in the table name and simply click on enter, press enter button and name is given, so move to the next level of this step. Next level of this step is then apply the light green table style light 21, then apply the light green table style light. So go to the table design and go to the table style, quick style and light green 21. This is light green 21 table style light 21. So click on this. This step has also done. So step number 2 has done. We move to the step number 3. Step number 3, remove duplicates records. Step number 3 is remove duplicates records. So go to the Excel file, go to the data tab and remove duplicates. Click on remove duplicates. Click on OK. 3 duplicate values found and removed. 206 unique values remain. Not that counts may include empty cells, space, etc. Click on OK. So step number 3 has also done. So move to the step number 4. Step number 4 is increase the size and also color it. Step number 4 is add a new column at the end of the table named duration. Copy the name. See. So step number 4 is add a new column at the end of the table named duration. So go to the Excel file and at the end of the table click on this and simply paste the name and simply press enter. So column is created. So step number 4 is already has done. So we move to the step number 5. Step number 5 is increase the size. Step number 5 is create a formula using unqualified structure reference to calculate the days required to resolve the incident. Data resolved. Formula is data resolved minus data created. A fully qualified structure reference is not needed since you are referring to columns within the insurance claims table. So simply create a formula. Formula is data resolved minus data created. So go to the Excel file and equal and click on data resolved and press minus button and also select data created. So it means this is simply J7 minus equal to J7 minus C7. So press enter simply and the values are this is values. This step has done. So step number 5 has also done. So we move to the step number 6. Increase the size, also color it. Add a total row to display the every duration column required to complete a claim. So step number 6 is add a total row to display the every duration columns required to complete claims. Go to the Excel file and go to the end of the add a total row to display the every duration columns key required to complete a claim. So click any cell in the table and go to the table design and click on total row total row is created, and display the average duration. It says display the average duration, so we move to Excel file and simply click on this cell and click on this and click on average. So display average duration. So step number 6 has also done. So we move to the step number 7. Again increase the size and color it. Step number 7 is sort the table by insurance agent in alphabetic order and a second level to sort by description, and then create a custom sort order as follows: natural disaster, flood, fire, theft, accident. At a third level to sort by duration, smallest to largest. So first level of this step is sort the table by insurance agent in alphabetic order. So sort the table by insurance agent in alphabetic order. So we move to the Excel file and click any cell in the table and also check sort the table by insurance agent in alphabetic order. So we move to the home tab and click on sort and filter and go to the custom sort, click on custom sort and add level and sort by insurance agent. In alphabetic orders. So first level of the step is done, has done. Move to the next level of this step. Next level is add a second level. To sort by description and then create a custom sort. Add a second level to sort by description. Add level and description and also and then create a custom sort order as follows. So simply copy this and go to the custom list and in this list entries in this tab paste it and simply click on add, and these entries also to separate list entries. So natural disaster, flood, fire, this entry has listed, so click on OK and go to the next step. Go to the next level of the step. Next level of the step is add a third level to sort by duration, smallest to largest. Sort by duration. Add a third level to sort by duration, smallest to largest. Add a level and sort by duration and smallest to larger. Smallest to larger. So click on OK and step number 7 has also done. So move to the step number 8. Increase the size and color it. Step number 8 is filter the table to only display closed claim and indicate in the status column. Filter the table to only display closed claims as indicated in the status column. In this status column, so we move to the Excel file and go to the status column and click on this and click on select all and all the uncheck and only click on close, select the close and click on OK, and this step has done. Check this, only close are shown. So step number 8 is also done. I have done 60% steps in the assignment because total steps of this assignment are 15, almost 15, and I have done almost 8 steps. So you want to get complete assignment, I will do these steps in 20 minutes and I will give you a plus grade in this assignment. Even I will do my lab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Access, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and I will help you in all online courses like math, stat, accounting, finance, economics, computer science, and JavaScript, Python, and many other online courses. And we have guaranteed that I will provide A plus grade even all classes in all courses, and you can contact with me on my WhatsApp link and emails in this description video, my WhatsApp number and email in the description of this video. So my direct WhatsApp link in this video, in description of this video, so you can contact on my WhatsApp for complete solution and make a deal for complete courses. So thank you again, thank you.